Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Are you dreaming of a future where your commute is just a few steps from your bed to your desk? Well, that future is closer than you think. Today, we're diving into the top work-from-home jobs that are already shaping 2025. Forget the old 9-to-5 grind. The landscape of work is changing fast, and I want to make sure you're ahead of the curve. First up, let's talk about the tech world. It's no surprise that roles like cybersecurity analysts and AI specialists are exploding. With businesses moving online more than ever, the need to protect data and harness artificial intelligence is massive. You don't always need a computer science degree either. Many companies are looking for skills and certifications, which you can often get through online courses. So if you're tech-savvy and love problem-solving, this is a golden opportunity to build a future-proof career from your living room. Next, let's look at the creative and marketing fields. Digital marketing managers, content creators, and SEO strategists are in high demand. Every brand needs a strong online presence, and they're willing to pay top dollar for people who can make that happen. Whether you're a great writer, a video editing whiz, or a social media guru, you can turn your creative passion into a full-time remote job. The best part? You can often work with clients from all over the world, right from your home office. Finally, the world of online support and education is booming. Think virtual assistants, online tutors, and customer success managers. These roles are all about helping people, and they offer incredible flexibility. As a virtual assistant, you could be managing schedules for a busy executive. While an online tutor could be helping a student grasp a new concept, these jobs are perfect for those who are organized, empathetic, and great communicators. They prove that you don't need to be in a traditional office to make a real impact. The key takeaway is that the remote job market for 2025 is already here, and it's more diverse than ever. Start skilling up now in an area that excites you. Whether it's tech, creative, or support, there's a remote path waiting for you. It's all about being proactive and grabbing these opportunities today. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on navigating the future of work. See you in the next one!